Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. In these links, you'll find information about online seminars for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM that I teach, and the study manuals for these exams that I authored. I direct the Actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer support to our students, you can make a tax-deductible donation at smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today, problem number 17 in multiple choice section of exam LTAM from October 2018. For a fully discrete 15-pay whole life insurance of $200,000 on a 50-year-old, you are given that mortality follows the standard ultimate life table. Interest rate is 5%, which is the same rate as is used in the calculations of actuarial present values in the table, which is very convenient. Calculate the full preliminary term reserve at the end of year 5. So the full preliminary term reserve at the end of year 5 per dollar of coverage is A55, because the person will be 55 then, and 50 at the policy inception, and minus beta FPT, so the renewal full preliminary term net level premium per dollar of coverage, beta FPT, times A.55 colon angle 10, because it's 15 years of payments of premium and 5 have already passed. And that beta FPT is the premium for life insurance at age 51 for the same term of coverage, so that's 14P51, which is A51 divided by A.51 colon angle 14. From the standard ultimate life table, A51 is 0.19780, but we need to work to find A.51 colon angle 14. It is equal to A.51 minus 14E51 times A.65, but 14E51 is not in the table. However, we rewrite it as A.51 minus 5E61 over 1E65 times 10E51. So from 51 to 61 we go in 10 years, and then we need to go extra 4 years. We write it as 5 years and then divide by that extra year that we don't need. From age 65 to age 66. And that's multiplied by A.65. 1E65 is equal to 1 over 1.05 times P65, which is 1 minus Q65 divided by 1.05. So 1.05 moves to the numerator, and this becomes A.51 minus 1.05 times 5E61 over 1 minus Q65 multiplied by 10E51 times A.65, and all of this is now in the table. We just plug in the numbers from the table and we get A.51 colon negative 14 to be approximately 10.2720445. And that lets us calculate beta FPT to be 0.1925615. Also from the table, A55 is 0.23524, and A.55 colon angle 10, well, it's equal to A.55 minus 10E55 times A.65. All those are in the table. We plug them in, and we get approximately 8.01917768, and the reserve is A55 minus beta FPT times A.55 colon angle 5. So we plug in all the values that we just calculated, and we calculate this to be about 0.08082153. And since the policy is for 200,000 face amount, we multiply this number by 200,000, and we get 16,164.3068, which is answer A. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.